There are many different ways to categorize and examine the inputs of pollution into our marine ecosystems. Patton, N.D., notes that generally there are three main types of inputs of pollution into the ocean: direct discharge of waste into the oceans, runoff into the waters due to rain, and pollutants that are released from the atmosphere. One common path of entry by contaminants to the sea are rivers. The evaporation of water from oceans exceeds precipitation. The balance is restored by rain over the continents entering rivers and then being returned to the sea. The Hudson in New York State and the Raritan in New Jersey, which empty at the northern and southern ends of Staten Island, are a source of mercury contamination of zooplankton, copepods, in the open ocean. The highest concentration in the filter-feeding copepods is not at the mouths of these rivers but 70 miles south, near Atlantic City, because water flows close to the coast. It takes a few days before toxins are taken up by the plankton. Pollution is often classed as point source or non-point source pollution. Point source pollution occurs when there is a single, identifiable, and localized source of the pollution. An example is directly discharging sewage and industrial waste into the ocean. Pollution such as this occurs particularly in developing nations. Non-point source pollution occurs when the pollution comes from ill-defined and diffuse sources. These can be difficult to regulate. Agricultural runoff and wind-blown debris are prime examples.